I'm so excited that I get to hang out with you today. This is our time to learn, laugh, grow, discover, and to just do life together. Always be on the lookout for some new hangout times where we play some fun games, learn some cool new facts, and discover awesome, amazing things about the people and the world around us. Also, around here, we're known as TGQ Kids because we train daily to become better, we're grounded in who we are, and we're quick to do the right thing. So, are you ready for some fun? Awesome! Then let's jump up, shake it out, and discover what this day has for us. Wow, we have learned so much about the word honor. We've heard it in stories, we've learned the definition, we've even learned how to spell it. But even with all of that information, sometimes ideas can seem just like that. These big ideas out in the world floating around. And it's hard sometimes to figure out how do we actually really fully understand what it means. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the outside and bring it in and feel what our word of the day is. And remember, honor means giving the right weight to the people, things, and ideas around us. So in order to really, truly feel honor, what it feels like and what it feels like to not get it, we're gonna do a couple of activities, okay? So what I want you to do is real quick, I want you to go find two things around where you are that are two very different weights. One that's heavy and one that's light. And then what I want you to do is also find two items that are almost exactly the same weight. And one of those items could be the same as your light one and your first one. Try to keep it light so it flows just a little bit better. Okay, so go ahead and pause and get yours, because I've got mine already here, but I'll wait for you. Did you get them? Great, what'd you get? Wow, those are some great choices. Okay, so I brought with me a nice friend from the past, our little Boba Bunny Llama friend, squishy and cute. And then I brought, give me just a second, this one. Whew. Okay. Just a minute. Oh man. This Christmas teddy bear is very heavy. Cute, but heavy. Okay. So do you remember the game that we originally played? Yeah, our balancing game. Okay, what I want you to do is hold your heavy object in one arm, like how I've got Christmas teddy over here. And I want you to hold your other object in your other hand. You ready? And then we're gonna stand on one foot. And 3, 2, 1, up! Oh man, it's hard to balance. When you're holding, I'm gonna put him down now. It's hard to balance when you're holding things of different weights. You can put yours down too if you haven't already done that. Oh man, that was a workout, and I wasn't even that great at it. Could you imagine if I had to stay balanced like that all the time? It would be really hard. And that is kind of a feeling of when honor is not shown to the right people, thoughts, and ideas. Because you're always trying to balance. But if you're not giving the right honor to the right things, you're always going to be off balance, because the things that shouldn't be getting honor are heavy, and the things that should be getting honor are light on their honor, so you're just like hanging sideways. Now, get the two items that weigh about the same. And again, if you don't have any, that's fine. Just hold your hands open. I have 2,000 cubes, so they are exactly the same and weigh the same. Now, when you're ready, let's go ahead and raise our leg and see how this feels. Wow, this is way easier. Even if I do a little wibble wobble, it's easy to rebalance myself because I'm not having to think about the weight and one's not dragging me down while the other is just kind of trying to float off into the air. Isn't that kind of cool? How we can actually feel words. So that's all about the balance of giving honor. Now, let's also talk about too what maybe it feels like when honor is given to you versus when it's not, and how other people might feel. Have you ever held your breath? Like maybe when going through a tunnel while driving with your parents, or maybe when swimming from one side of the pool to the other to see if you can make it real fast? Yeah, both of those are fun activities. But what ends up happening while you're doing them? Yeah, you end up thinking about how much you want to breathe, which is especially true if traffic is going slow, or that tunnel is really long, or that pool is really big, right? Okay, if you haven't experienced them, let's do the little activity right now. Okay, I want you to hold your breath with me. So we're gonna take a deep breath in, hold your breath, man, holding your breath makes you realize how much you need oxygen. Okay, hey, breathe. It's okay. We're done now. Go ahead and breathe. I don't want you to pass out. Which is actually when your body passes out. It's your body saying, I need oxygen. And you're not doing a good job. So when we don't have oxygen and we hold our breath, then what ends up happening is we start realizing how much we need oxygen, and we might start feeling a little lightheaded, our face might start getting red, and it just isn't that great of a feeling. Now, when you start holding your breath, you may sit there and say, oh, this isn't a big deal. I could do this for ages. But at some point, you reach the point where you go, I need to breathe. How long is this going to last? Right? And that's kind of honor. Sometimes when honor isn't given to us, we're able to brush it off. Like, not a big deal. But at some point, it does start to etch away and get you to realize that I'm missing something. I'm not being heard, I'm not being seen, I'm not being respected. And that's also how the people around you feel. Yeah, it's like being in a room that has oxygen and slowly that oxygen starts going away when honor isn't given. But when honor is given, you don't even think about breathing. You don't think about your body needing oxygen because why? You're receiving it. You're getting it. Life is good. Things are working out. There are no issues. Which doesn't mean life is going to be easy, but it's a whole lot easier when you're balanced and when you can breathe. So, not only have we learned all about honor and seen it in action, but now we've actually felt what it feels when honor is given and when it's disappearing. So, always make sure to give honor. Hi, welcome to our Soul Studio, where we now take everything we've learned about our word of the week. Do you remember what our word is? Yes, it's honor, which is making sure that we give the right weight or the right value to the people and things and ideas around us. So it's time to take all that we've learned and felt about honor and express it back out to the world so that they can see honor shine through us. Not just through our actions, but through a new creation. You might be like John, who likes to create comics and create a comic about what honor means to you. In his, he did one with a kid talking to a judge about honor and how honor means inclusivity and making sure everybody's voice is heard. Or maybe you like to build, like Chris, and you can build a shield or a sword to remind you to protect the truth and value of the things around you. Or maybe you love to dance and you want to find a good beat and dance out what honor feels like to you. Whatever way feels right to you, go express your soul's version of honor to the world. And let me know what it is. I'd love to see it. Man, I love our hangout times together. They're always filled with so much fun and laughter and great new information. You are an awesome kid. But unfortunately, it's time for us to say, see you next time. But before we do, let's bring it in and lock it down, okay? Can you say it with me? I am a TGQ kid. I train daily to become better. I'm grounded in who I am, and I'm quick to do the right thing. That was perfect. You're such a natural TGQ kid. Okay, well, until next time, always remember that you are perfectly, uniquely you, and the world wouldn't be whole without you. Well, until next time, kiddo.